walking away, thinking it over, holding the weight of your words. Well, you can sharpen the blade, but I'm already open.
It will be a knot. I will not use this knot. Make a chain. And now pull up the working loop to the level of the double crochet. Then I draw 3 beads like this. Then yarn over the hook and pull through. This is the level of the double crochet. Insert the hook into the chain stitch, make double crochet. Make 3 double crochet, 1, 2, and 3. Well done. Then I turn the work like this, yarn over the hook. Then insert the hook around all stitches and pull up a loop. It is going to be strings. 1, here how it looks. In total it should be 5 of them. This is the first one. 1, 2, 3. The height of the strings should be the same. 4 and 5. I have done all 5 strings. Then yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Then yarn over, pull through 3 loops till you will get 2 loops on the hook. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. I have got 2 loops on the hook and pull through. So my first segment is ready. Here what I have. Then I turn the work. Pull up the working loop to the level of the double crochet, draw 3 beads, and I continue working on the second segment. Make a chain with 3 beads. Now insert the hook into the stitch. This is the top. Make 3 double crochet into this stitch. 1, 2, and 3. Well done. Then yarn over, insert the hook around the stitches, pull up a loop 5 times. 1. I hold all loops with my finger. The strings should be the same. 2, 3, 4, and 5. Well done. Then insert the hook into the my stitch. I'm looking for my double crochet. This is the third double crochet. I insert the hook into this stitch, pull up a loop, pull through 2 loops, 1, then pull through 3 loops, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have got 2 loops on the hook, then yarn over, pull through all loops on the hook. I'm done 2 segments, the first one and the second one. I straight up my strings. Let's repeat one more time. Draw 3 beads. Turn the work. Then make a chain with 3 beads and 3 double crochet. 1, 2, 3. Insert the hook into the third double crochet. Here it is. And now I am making the strings. Yarn over, pull up a loop 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then insert the hook into the third stitch. Take the working yarn, pull it through 2 loops. Then pull through 3 loops. 2, 3, 4, 5, and pull through 2 loops. I'm done the third one. Let's look what we have done. Let's count 1, 2, 3. This is my third stitch. It could be strong. This is the third stitch. Before the turning, you should make it a little bit loosely. Use your crochet hook and continue working by yourself as many times as you need. I have got such amazing beauty. One side, and this is the another one. You can straight up strings. Continue working in this way as many times as you need. That's it. My cords are ready. Each segment consists of 3 double crochet and 5 strings and 3 beads. You can use any kinds of beads and any color of yarn. So as you understand, this is a very simple project. It could be perfect for beginners. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!